Poverty, by Mikhail Zoshchenko. Brothers, what is the most fashionable word these days, eh? These days the most fashionable word around is, of course, electrification. I don't deny the vast importance of shining a light on Soviet Russia, but it does have its not-so-bright side. I'm not saying, comrades, that it costs too much. It doesn't cost too much, no, more than the cost of money. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is this. I lived, comrades, in a great big house. The whole house ran on kerosene. One person had a smoking wick in a jar of oil, somebody else, a little lamp, while somebody else had nothing but the light of a prayer candle. Downright poverty. But then they began installing electricity. The first to hook it up was the authorized representative, a quiet man. He didn't let on about much, but he was acting strange all the same and kept on thoughtfully blowing his nose. But still, he didn't let on about much, and now our dear landlady Elizaveta Ignatievna Prokhorova came along and suggested we light up our own flat. Everyone, she said, is doing it. The authorized representative himself, she said, has done it. Well, then, we went and installed electricity for ourselves. We installed it, turned on the light, and, holy Moses, there's dirt and decay everywhere. It used to be you went out in the morning, came back in the evening, had yourself some tea and went to bed, and by the light of the kerosene you saw none of it. But now we'd switch on the electric light, take a look around, and here's somebody's holy shoe lying about. Here the upholstery is ripped and a bit of it is sticking out. Here's a bedbug trotting away, saving itself from the light. Here's a rag from who knows what, here a pool of spittle, here a cigarette end, here a flea hopping along. Holy Moses, it's enough to make you shout for help. Just looking at such a spectacle is heartbreaking. The seti, for example, that we had in our room, I thought the seti was just fine. It was a nice seti, I often sat on it in the evenings, but now I'd switch on the electric light and, well, I never. Would you look at that seti? It's all sticking out, it's all sagging, all its stuffing's coming out. I can't sit on a seti like that, the soul won't have it. Well, I think, the good life this is not. It's nasty just looking at all this. Nothing I do seems to go right anymore. I see the landlady Elizaveta Ignatievna is looking sad too, puttering away in the kitchen, tidying up. What, I asked, is bothering you, Mrs.? And she waved her arm. She said, am a nice person, and I didn't know I was living in such poverty. I look at the landlady's stuff. Indeed, I think, it's not first-rate, dirt and decay and assorted rags. And also brightly lit up, you can't help seeing it. Coming home began to lose its shine. I'd come home, switch on the light, admire the light bulb, then hit the sack. Then I had to think. I got my pay on payday, bought some calcium, dissolved it in some water and set to work. I stripped the upholstery, beat out the bedbugs, swept away the cobwebs, got rid of the settee and painted. I clobbered the place. The soul sang and rejoiced. But even though it turned out well, it was all for nothing, in vain and to no end. Brothers, did I blow my money, because the landlady went and cut off the electricity? It hurt, she said. Everything looks so wretched in the light. What, she said, should I shine a light on such poverty for? It only makes the bedbugs laugh. Oh, I begged and I reasoned, but it did no good. You can move, she said, somewhere else. I don't want, she said, to live with the light. I don't have the money to redecorate the decorating. Do you think it's easy, comrades, to move when you've blown a pile of money on decorating? And so I just gave in. Brothers, electric light is good. It's just no good to live with.